I'm so tired being at home.
I understand. But do you know why we have to be at home now?
I know it's all because of the coronavirus.
Coronavirus. Yes, it's because coronavirus is spreading now. So do you know what is a coronavirus?
Coronavirus is a kind of disease.
Okay, so it's a kind of disease. It's a virus. Can you see the virus with your naked eye?
No,
Why?
because they're so small.
Yes, they're very tiny, but we can see the virus under the microscope. This is how coronavirus looks under the electron microscope. Do you know why it's called the coronavirus?
I don't even know.
Do you see those little spikes?
Yes.
It makes it look like the virus has a corona. That's why it's called the coronavirus. Corona, like a crown. The type of coronavirus that we are dealing with now is called COVID-19, and it's very new. We are still learning about it. What we know is that it came to us from the animals, but now it's spreading from human to human. When people cough, sneeze, and even talk, they spray out the saliva. The saliva of the infected person has the virus, and it can get on you if you're standing close to that person. Yes. So you have to stand more than 6 feet away.
Wait, oh yeah.
So 2 meters. How else can we get the virus? I'll give you a hint. Why don't we go to the playground?
Because we we touch the bars and people might cough it in their hands and then touch the bars, and then the other person can touch the bars too and then rub their eyes, pick their nose, or even suck their thumb.
Yes. And you suck the thumb and the virus gets inside your body. And once inside the body, what does the virus do?
Bad things?
Yes, so it makes you sick. So when virus gets inside your body, it makes a lot of copies of itself, and then the virus starts attacking the cells. But luckily, we have the immune system that fights the virus. And that's actually why people get fever. That's a sign that your body is fighting the disease. Are you worried about the virus? Are you worried about COVID-19?
Yes.
Why are you worried?
Because if I don't want my grandpa to get sick, if she'll get sick, she might die because she's older.
Okay, yes, because older people can get very sick from it. Now, what can you do to protect your grandma and other people?
We can stay at home, and if we you really need to go to some place, then when you go from it, then you have to, when you come back home, then you have to wash your hands and rub the soap with your hands for 30 seconds.
Okay, great. And can you show other kids how you wash your hands?
Of course.
Sing the song that you usually sing when you wash hands now, and I'm going to time it.
Okay.
Because you have to wash hands for about 20 to 30 seconds. Are you ready? Can you show everybody how you do it?
This is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands early in the morning. Wash, wash, wash our hands. Wash, wash, wash our hands.
Okay, that's it, about 20 seconds. Okay, good job.
Clean.
So to protect us and other people, we have to keep the distances and wash our hands. If we stay away from each other, the virus cannot spread and fewer people will get sick, correct?
Correct.
Okay.
But when will all of this end? When can I go to stores again?
Well, we don't really know. It might take several months.
Oh my gosh.
I know. We need to see if the virus will go away once the weather gets warmer.
I have a question, a big question.
Okay, what's the big question?
The big question is, but why does like when it's gonna be warm, the virus might be gone?
Well, we don't know. Maybe the virus spreads more when it's cold and it doesn't spread as much when it's warm. You should know that the adults are doing everything they can to make this better, and you need to do your part. Okay?
Wash your